Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook sea moss. First, thoroughly rinse your dry sea moss under cool water, removing any ocean debris like sand or tiny shells. Next, place the clean sea moss into a large bowl and cover it completely with fresh, filtered water. Allow it to soak for at least 12 to 24 hours, or until it has significantly expanded and softened. This rehydration is crucial for the next steps in preparing your gel. Once your sea moss is fully hydrated, drain off the soaking water completely. Do not use this water for blending. Transfer the swollen sea moss to a high-speed blender, then add fresh, filtered water. A good starting ratio is 1 cup of sea moss to 1½ cups of water. Blend until the mixture becomes completely smooth and thick, resembling a gel-like consistency. This usually takes about 1 to 2 minutes. After blending, pour your freshly made sea moss gel into clean, airtight glass jars or containers. Store these immediately in the refrigerator to maintain their freshness and consistency. Properly stored, your homemade sea moss gel can last for approximately 2 to 3 weeks. Always use a clean spoon each time you retrieve some gel to prevent contamination, ensuring its longevity and safety for consumption. With the hardware connected, it is time for software. Install the drivers and the dedicated capture software that came with your capture card onto your laptop. Once installed, launch the application and choose your capture card from the list of available video input devices. You might need to adjust settings like resolution to 1092 by 1080 pixels and frame rate to 60 frames per second for the best visual experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.